Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to unbox my Scentsy order, aka my Scentsy haul, and let's see what I got. And then I'm going to talk about the products that are in the box. I love getting Scentsy packages. Love, love, love. It's like Christmas, whether it's for me or whether it's for my customers. I absolutely love getting packages. All right. So the first thing is a light bulb that's blue. Did you know that we had color bulbs? These bulbs obviously add color to warmers, but they really can change the look of a warmer too. So we actually have a few different colors. This one is a blue bulb. We have orange, green, purple, and red. And they really do change the look of a warmer, especially if you have a white warmer or somewhat of a color warmer. It does sometimes change the color, obviously, because it is a colored bulb. They come in 25 watt and a 15 watt. So you can get them for the little mini plugins. Love our colored bulbs. Scent circles, yay, scent circles. If you are not hip to scent circles, these guys are perfect for anywhere you hang fragrance, right? One common place you can use these are in your car. I love scent circles with a matching room spray. You can hang a scent circle in your mirror, on your mirror, and have a matching room spray. And then your room spray, you can freshen the circle up so you can re-up the scent, refresh the scent in about a week or so once the scent starts to get a little weak for you. Another great place for scent circles are closets. Love these for closets, coat closets, bedroom closets, anywhere you can just hang a little guy. This is perfect for them. I do want to caution you though, and we found this out through personal experience, because these are coated with fragrance, you do not want them touching you don't want them like hanging off of your gear shift, touching your console or anything, because the fragrance will get onto that surface because they are coated with the fragrance. It does say that on the back. These are $3. The best buy is to buy 5, get 1 free for $15. Love scent circles, and they make such cute little gifts, and they're great. You can use them as name tags too. Awesome. Love some scent circles. Oh yes. So we have essential oils, and a lot of people don't know about our essential oil and diffuser game. We have 2 types of diffusers. Make sure you check them out at my website below. One is a premium and one is deluxe. But our essential oils are 100% natural essential oils. That comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. Looks like this. There's about 250 drops into each one. We always recommend start slow, start low, and then increase. So 3 to 5 drops. We add way more than 3 to 5 drops. 15 milliliters. This fragrance is one of my favorites. I actually have 2 favorites that we currently have. Is Rose Water Lavender is amazing, and then this one, White Lavender Mint, is so good for the bedroom. I love this. It's very calming. It's not overpowering. It's not really florally. A lot of people think lavender is floral. It's really not. It's really calming. And then the mint is soft. It's not an overpowering mint. Sometimes when you get a mint essential oil, it is overpowering. You can smell it like 3 rooms over. White Lavender Mint is a must in our household. So love that. Next are pods. I love our pods. So our pods go into our fan systems, and we have quite a few different fan systems. We have ones that you can take on the go, so don't require to be plugged in, only when they're charging. We have ones that sit on your desk, or you can use with like a USB, or we have ones that plug right into the wall. Our fan systems are unique. They don't use wax or oils. They use these pods. These are little scented pods with food grade beads inside. This scent is Blue Grotto. It's so good. This is actually one of his favorite scents. This is for his bathroom. I might steal these though. Blue Grotto is a very fresh scent. It is a little bit of a fruity scent, but I've been told it smells like a store's lava candle. I can't remember the store's name, but I feel like it, someone says it smells like one of the name brand stores. They have like a lava candle. That's what it smells like. It smells very good. It's a very neutral scent, so it's not really masculine. It's not very girly. Like I said, it's one of his favorite scents, and Blue Grotto comes in a lot of our products, so make sure you check out below in the link. But love our pods. 2 pods come in 1 pack. 1 pack with 2 pods is $10. 1 pod lasts about 120 hours. So 2 pods together, you get about 240 hours of fragrance time. We change our pods out every other week on a frequency. We change our wax weekly, sometimes multiple times a week. But we do change our pods a little less frequently than our wax. Pod systems are really good to have, especially if you have little ones or dogs or busy areas of your homes, like a mud room, your front area, like your front door, your laundry rooms, anywhere that you don't want an oopsie daisy with wax. These are great systems. I know some schools and some dorms can be a little picky about warmers and wax. Ours are safe, but they can still be picky about it. The pod systems are a great alternative for not having any heat or wax. Let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, can't live without this. This is Scentsy Fresh. I love Scentsy Fresh. So this is fabric spray. If you have a fabric that you can't wash, you need Scentsy Fresh. Think mattresses, drapes, dog beds, changing tables, carpets, any type of fabric, furniture, right? Any type of fabric that you need to freshen up. This is great in between, like when you wash your sheets. So when you wash your sheets, you take your sheets off the bed, you can spray your mattresses, you can spray your pillows. We like to spray our drapes, the carpets, everywhere that there's a fabric. And it doesn't cover up the odor, and it doesn't cover up the scent if there is an odor. What it really does is there's special enzymes that traps the odor and eliminates it. You can get it specifically for eliminating odors. It's called Odor Out. It's very good. If you're a smoker, I have a few people who swear by our Odor Out Scentsy Fresh. It really helps with clothes and fabrics in their houses. You guys can keep a bottle of this in your car too if you're an Uber driver, or if you deliver food and you need some freshness sprayed in your car. Definitely some Scentsy Fresh. They come in a different variety of scents. My favorite scent is the lavender cotton. I absolutely love spraying this. My mom uses this and she sprays her sheets down before she gets into bed. And she even keeps a bottle in her guest room, so when she does have guests over pre-COVID, she had that in there so they could spray down their sheets. So it's very good. I love the Scentsy Fresh. It's awesome. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, yes. Sometimes I forget what I order, and it's so nice. That's why I said it's like Christmas. So, this is our Scent Soft. A lot of people say, oh, it's like softener. So, kind of. So what I like to describe this of is it's like conditioner, like hair conditioner, but for your clothes. So it conditions your clothes, right? It helps the color stay. It really helps with the pilling of things. A lot of softeners like absorb into your clothes. This actually works with your clothes. They have enzymes to help the laundry process and keep your clothes looking new, not dingy, not fading the colors. I know we just got softener because we were out of this, and it stuck to the washing machine, and I absolutely hate that. So I could not wait to get our Scent Off back in. It's super concentrated. You only need a couple pumps. You can get a matching laundry liquid in this as well. We love the lavender cotton. We like the Scentsy Fresh in it, and we like our laundry into it. And like I said, it's super concentrated. It goes right into your softener, or right into wherever you put your regular softener. You don't need as much as you would regular softener, so make sure you read the directions on the back. And actually it says 5 pumps for a small load. What is it? 6 pumps to a medium and 7 pumps for a large. So you're really not using a lot, and the pumping mechanism is really nice, so it helps meter your usage. Absolutely love our Scents Off. And when you use the Scents Off along with the other laundry line items, which I thought we had in here, it really does make a difference in your clothes. People used to ask me like, oh my gosh, what kind of perfume do you use? It was not perfume. It was definitely our laundry care. This is our #1 selling laundry product, is washer whiffs. If you have not tried these, I'm telling you right now, try these. These are going to be your best friend. These are, we can just open these up. These are salt crystals that you throw into your washer. I forgot to say, our entire laundry line is safe for HE systems, so high efficiency washer and dryer, and they're safe for front loaders, top loaders, all the things. Septic tanks, our stuff is safe for septic tanks if you have a septic tank. So washer whiffs are these little salt crystals, and they come with a scooper. Here it is. And you only need 1 scoop, and you could just throw the scoop it out like this, and just throw it right into your washer. So front loader, top loader, doesn't matter. It just throws it right into the washer drum with your laundry. And what this does is just fragrance your clothes really nice. So this is just fragrance. This is not the soap. This is not soap. This is not soap. Scents Off. We do have soap. I don't have it in this order. But the fragrance crystals are nice. I like to use I like to use 2 or 3 scoops. Directions will tell you to use 1 scoop. Use as much as you want. Start low and increase. I will say our laundry line is tested on people with sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin when it comes to laundry and body products, and I will say Scentsy, for me personally, has not given me any issues. Now, I will caveat with that saying, if you do have a lavender allergy, don't get a lavender scent. Or if you have a coconut allergy, don't get a coconut scent, right? So I will put that in there as a disclaimer. And I also disclaimer, like I said, I do have sensitive skin. I have not had an issue with Scentsy laundry care and or Scentsy body. So that to me is huge, because how sensitive I am with things on my skin. But that's it, guys. That is my Scentsy haul. And stay tuned for the next one, because this is fun. I like doing this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out any of these products, link below. And if you like the videos and want to know next time when I upload something, please hit subscribe. I'll see you later.